สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to the podcast where we help you learn Thai simply by listening to real, everyday conversations. I am so glad you are here today. Let's be honest about something right from the start. Thailand is hot. It is really hot. And when you are walking down the street in Bangkok or relaxing on a beach in Phuket, survival comes down to one essential skill: ordering a drink. Today, we are going to a Thai cafe. You are going to learn how to order exactly what you want in the exact state you want it. Are you a hot coffee person? Do you need ice? Or do you want it blended into a frosty slushie? By the end of this episode, you will be able to order like a local. Since this is for A1 beginners, we are going to keep the grammar super simple today. I want you to listen closely for one specific word, ao. It simply means I want or I will take, and it is your magic key to getting food and drinks in Thailand. Before we jump in, here's your focus question for today. I want you to answer this in your head while you listen to the story. What exactly does the customer order at the end of the conversation? And how sweet is it? And you can also download the worksheet in the description box down below. All right, let's get you ready for the cafe. Before we listen to the full conversation, let's open up our Thai toolbox. I am going to give you 7 words you will hear in the story. I will say the Thai word, tell you what it means, and give you a quick example. Word number 1 is ao. This means to want or to take. You use it when ordering. For example, if someone offers you water, you can say ao ka, meaning I will take it. Word number 2 is café. This means coffee. You might say, I drink café every morning. Word number 3 is cha thai. This is the famous bright orange Thai tea. It is sweet, creamy, and delicious. You could say, my favorite drink is cha thai. Word number 4 is rawn. This means hot. It can mean hot weather or a hot drink. For example, today the sun is very rawn. Word number 5 is yen. This means cold or iced. In the context of drinks, it almost always means iced. If your friend is angry, you might tell them to calm down or ใจเย็น. But for drinks, it means add ice. Word number 6 is bun. This means blended or frappé. It is when they put the ice and the drink into a blender. You could say, I love drinking watermelon bun. And finally, word number 7, your survival phrase, hwan noi. This means less sweet. Hwan is sweet and noi is little or less. You definitely need this. For example, I like my desserts hwan noi. Got them? Ao, café, cha thai, rawn, yen, bun, and hwan noi. Let's go to the cafe. Listen to this short conversation between a barista and a customer. Just let the sounds wash over you. Don't worry if you miss a word.
สวัสดีค่ะรับอะไรดีคะอากาศร้อนมากเอาชาไทยค่ะชาไทยร้อนเย็นหรือปั่นคะเอาชาไทยเย็นค่ะหวานปกติไหมคะไม่ค่ะเอาหวานน้อยทานนี่หรือกลับบ้านคะกลับบ้านค่ะได้ค่ะชาไทยเย็นหวานน้อยกลับบ้านนะคะ
How did you do? Did you catch the drink order? Let's break it down line by line so you can understand every single piece of the puzzle. First, the barista greets the customer. สวัสดีค่ะรับอะไรดีคะ We all know สวัสดีค่ะ is hello, but then she asks รับอะไรดีคะ รับmeans to receive or to accept. Arai means what. D means good, and ka is the polite particle for female speakers. Put it together, what would be good for you to receive? But naturally, it just means what would you like to order or how can I help you? It is the most common greeting you will hear at any food stall, cafe, or restaurant. The customer replies, อากาศร้อนมากเอาชาไทยค่ะ Let's look at the first part. อากาศร้อนมาก อากาศ means weather. ร้อน means hot, like we learned in our toolbox. มาก means very. So, the weather is very hot. Simple and true. Because it is so hot, she makes her decision. เอาชาไทยค่ะ Here is our magic word, เอา meaning I want or I will take. Cha Thai is Thai tea. So, I'll take Thai tea, please. In English, saying, I want Thai tea might sound a little bit direct or demanding, but in Thai, using ao for ordering is perfectly polite and completely natural, especially when you end the sentence with the polite particle ka or krap. The barista then asks a very important question. ชาไทยร้อนเย็นหรือปั่นคะ Let's translate this word for word. Thai tea, hot, iced, or blended. Notice the word หรือ This is a great little word to know. It means or when you are asking a question. Do you want A หรือ B? In this case, hot, iced, or blended. Now here is the grammar spotlight for today. In English, you put the state of the drink before the noun. You say iced Thai tea or hot coffee. In Thai, it is the complete opposite. The noun is the king. The noun comes first. Then you describe it. So you say cha Thai or Thai tea, followed by yen, iced. The customer thinks for a second and says, เอาชาไทยเย็นค่ะ I'll take Thai tea iced. Noun first, then adjective, ชาไทยเย็น. If she wanted coffee blended, she would say กาแฟปั่น. Noun first, description second. It makes sense, right? You have to know what the thing is before you know what temperature it is. Next, the barista asks about the sugar level. หวานปกติไหมคะ หวาน means sweet. ปกติ means normal or regular. ไหม is a question word that turns a statement into a yes or no question. So she is asking, normal sweetness? This is a trap, my friends. We will talk about why in the cultural section, but the customer is smart. She replies, ไม่ค่ะ เอาหวานน้อย ไม่ means no. เอา means I want. หวานน้อย means less sweet. No, I want less sweet. If you remember nothing else from this podcast, remember หวานน้อย. It will save your teeth. The barista has one last question for her. ทานนี่หรือกลับบ้านคะ Let's break this down. Tan is a polite word for eat or consume. Ni means here, so tani means dine in or have it here. There's our friend ru again, meaning or. Glap ban means to return home. Glap is return, ban is home. So have it here or take it home. The customer says, glap ban ka. Take it home, please. Take away. Finally, the barista confirms the entire order. Listen to how the adjectives stack up after the noun. ได้ค่ะ ชาไทยเย็นหวานน้อยกลับบ้านนะคะ ได้ค่ะ means yes, okay, or I can do that. Then she repeats the order exactly how Thai grammar works. Noun, cha Thai, Thai tea. State, yin, iced. Sugar level, หวานน้อย less sweet. format กลับบ้าน to go. It is a perfectly logical line of information. Thai tea, iced, less sweet, to go. Beautiful. Okay, let's take a quick break from the grammar and talk about real life in Thailand. We need to talk about the Thai mindset when it comes to drinks, the weather, and sugar. First, the ice. In many Western countries, if you order a coffee, the default is hot. If you want ice, you have to specifically ask for an iced coffee. In Thailand, because the average temperature is basically melting point all year round, the default is often cold. We survive on drinks filled to the brim with ice. In fact, if you go to a local street stall and ask for a hot drink at 2 p.m., the vendor might look at you like you are a little bit crazy. Hot drinks are usually strictly for the early morning, maybe between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. After that, it is a world of yen and bun. Now let's talk about the sweetness. Thai people love sweet things. We love sugar. We put sugar in our noodle soups, so you can imagine what we do to our desserts and drinks. A normal sweetness level for a Thai tea involves sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and sometimes extra liquid sugar on top. It is delicious, but it is intense. If you order wan pokati, which means normal sweet, be prepared for a sugar rush. If you want it to taste like a normal sweet drink in Europe or America, you must order wan noi, less sweet. And if you want absolutely no sugar at all, you say mai wan. Knowing these sweetness levels is a true sign that you are leveling up your Thai survival skills. Now that we have taken the conversation apart and put it back together, let's listen to the whole story one more time. Try to catch the phrases we practiced. Notice the noun plus state structure and listen for that crucial sugar level.
สวัสดีค่ะรับอะไรดีคะอากาศร้อนมากเอาชาไทยค่ะชาไทยร้อนเย็นหรือปั่นคะเอาชาไทยเย็นค่ะหวานปกติไหมคะไม่ค่ะเอาหวานน้อยทานนี่หรือกลับบ้านคะกลับบ้านค่ะได้ค่ะชาไทยเย็นหวานน้อยกลับบ้านนะคะ
Awesome job today! So, let's answer the focus question from the beginning of the episode. What exactly did the customer order at the end? And how sweet was it? She ordered a Thai tea, iced, to take home, and she asked for it to be less sweet. Cha, Thai, yin, wan, noi, glap ban. If you got that, you are doing amazing. Here is your homework for today. It is very simple. The next time you have a drink in your hand, whether it is coffee, water, or tea, I want you to look at it and declare its state out loud in Thai. Say the name of the drink and then tell yourself if it is ron, yin, or bun. Practice putting that adjective in the right place. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today and learning Thai in a natural, easy way, make sure to hit subscribe. Listen to this podcast while you are doing the dishes, driving, or just relaxing. Immerse yourself and the language will come. Thank you so much for listening. แล้วเจอกันใหม่ในตอนหน้า สวัสดีค่ะ